Hey guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna clean my room. I'm not getting you. So we're gonna clean my vanity. We're gonna move it back again. Don't mind the mess, guys. To the same corner where it was, because I thought it would be better if I did my makeup over there. But still, the light is not as good, if you know what I mean. And I did order new bulbs. We're just gonna update a little bit here, and we're gonna clean my room. So we're gonna move it back here. I'm gonna take my stationary bike to either, I think, the garage most likely, because hopefully we'll start working out on Monday or tonight, we'll see. And I wanted to record this because I'm trying my new microphone cable, because the other one made a lot of like staticky noise. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the process of me cleaning my area, or at least the aftermath, and then I'll show you the stuff I bought at Ross and at Home Goods to revamp my vanity, like the inside, because it's so messy and so dirty, guys. I'm like so embarrassed. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I also, well, let me show you guys what I got at Ross. I ended up getting these cute socks, and I went super early, guys. There was only 10 people. I did sanitize my hands and my stuff, but I got these socks, so cute. And I got another pair, these. And then these are like the clear things that are going to go inside the vanity. I just started ripping this off. As you can see, they're pretty reasonable price. It's $4.99. And if they don't fit in my vanity, I'm just going to go ahead and keep them for my restroom, because we could always store our restroom. I ended up getting some eye patches for under wrinkles, which is a packet of 5, I think, or 5 pairs for $3.99. I got some loofahs because you could never have enough loofahs. That's my dirty, well, my clean clothes. And then I got like this jewelry stand. I don't have anything like this, so I'm excited. The only thing that I have for gold is actually my wedding ring and my earrings and my necklace. Everything else, guys, that I wear is fake, so I'm excited. Oh, and I also got these workout pants, leggings. They're so cute. I wanted like a pink color since I'm starting, you know, hopefully work out on the weekend. Oh, you guys, and also when we went to San Fernando, this is what I bought. Let me show you guys the dress I bought. It's so cute. Está bien bonito el vestido que compré. Y esta tienda se llama Fashion Gal, que está por la Foothill, ¿ves? En la Foothill. So I'm excited. I've been looking for a leopard dress, and this one I got it in large, obviously, but I like it how it's a long sleeve and it's that stretchy material. And it was $27. And then I got this like undershirt thermal for my scrubs. I ended up getting a size medium porque ya no tenían large, pero por $7 muy bien. Oh, y agarré esta blusa como tinta or tinta roja. It's large, so se estira y se estira.
What's your friend's name?
Y es esta la agarré en large a $21. Back to reality, to cleaning my whole vanity. I just wanted to record like the before and then the after. So like this is the before. I know, don't judge me. It looks so messy, so dirty, a lot of boxes. I have that, since remember I don't have a beauty room no more, so it's like my little corner. I have other stuff down there that I got. So yeah, I still have like tons of stuff to go through, and like maquillaje que ya no sé si está expirado o algo, pero pues obviamente vamos a ver las fechas. My everyday palette, guys, as you guys follow me on Instagram, saben que uso esta super básica. Pero sí, vamos a ver cómo queda mi lugarcito. Recuerden que quiero limpiarlo y moverlo de aquí al baño. So los miro en un ratito.
One eternity later.
Hi. Don't judge the hair and the outfit. I look like a crazy maniac. But let me show you the grand reveal. Ta-da! Doesn't she look beautiful? Don't mind my little box. That's like extra knickknacks and like new eyeshadow palettes I need to go through and stuff. Pero se mira mucho mejor, yo creo, mi espacio. Y déjenles enseño. Reorganicé un poquito aquí donde tenía todo mi maquillaje. Esto es lo que uso casi como mis lipsticks. Tengo poquito maquillaje como pueden ver. Desde que nos movimos a esta casa trato de no comprar tanto maquillaje porque no tengo un makeup room, which is fine. Tengo mis glitters, tengo mis SPF, mis primers, mis cremas, tengo mis foundations. Ahorita estas son las únicas 3 que tengo porque no quiero comprar más porque obviamente saben que donde trabajo no puedo usar. No es que no pueda usar, sino con la mascarilla I can't really wear a lot of foundation, or I don't like wearing a lot of foundation because then I'll get like acne. But my everyday powder, which I love. These are all the mist sprayers that I have. Son todos los que uso de setting sprays. My little hands, if you guys are true Tic Tok fans, you guys know, go check me out there. Mis lipsticks son básicos los que uso. No tengo muchos, como pueden ver. Un poquito de glitter para los labios. A lot of little scissors. Facial tools, you could say. Lipsticks. Eyeliners. Tengo concealers. Estos dos son los que uso. Son mis favoritos. Let me turn that off. Okay, so estos concealers, these 2 are my favorite. This is an eye corrector, un corrector de ojos. So es como un tipo melón o cafecito. Tengo, ¿qué más? Mis bases, los chonguitos de Juliana porque siempre quiere que le haga colitas. More setting sprays, que estos son los que tengo. Ya he usado estos. Este es de Walmart, el Airspun, y este es el de Laura Mercier. Ahorita saben que ahorita estoy obsesionada con este de Patrick Star. Tengo este que agarré en Sephora como sample. Yo nunca he usado el de Kat Von D. And yeah, me gusta. Este lo agarré en Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. Mis focos blancos todavía no llegan. So, yo creo que eso me va a ayudar mucho if I film here. Porque siento que están muy amarillos para grabar. No sé, no me gustan. Y mis brochas siguen siendo las mismas. I added this. Oh yeah, my phone. Phone holder or iPad tablet holder lo compré en Amazon y lo puedes hacer como tú quieras, hasta atrás, hasta enfrente, pero puedes mirar tus videos acá, o si quieres usar tu tableta grande, o si hago como live streams, aquí me puedo poner. Tengo mis brochas de la cara, un extra mirror, and the grand reveal, guys, es esto de aquí que traté de organizar lo más posible y se mira, me gustó cómo quedó. I need to like clean my mirror. So, estas son mis paletas que tengo. La verdad no tengo tantas porque, como les digo, no tengo un espacio grande ya como antes. Si han visto mis videos anteriores, no tengo un espacio más grande, pero está bien. Tengo un poco de sombras, tengo mis eyeshadow palettes, tengo mi bronce, bronzer, eyeshadow, my eyelash curler, my 2 highlighters, and then I have a highlighter de Mani Moi. I have it there. Tengo blushes, tengo mi eyebrow products y muchas sombras. Esto es lo que uso en el día a día. Tengo sombras chiquitas. Esta tengo de Bisú que nunca la verdad he calado. So quiero hacer un video. En estas cosas es como cosas que no uso diario. Como nail filer. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm super excited. And my brand new chair que la agarré ahora en Home Goods, que me encanta esta. We're gonna get rid of the white one porque siento que está muy bulky y creo que le va muy bien. No te puedes recargar tanto o hasta atrás, pero está súper bonita. It's really cute. I'm in love with my little corner all over again. Anyways, eso es todo por el día de hoy. Espero y les haya gustado este video. No se olviden de suscribirse, comentar y dejarme saber si se oye bien este micrófono porque I bought a new cable. Hopefully it works better than the other one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.